She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to definitely be easy and light and delicious. We're going to go ahead and make a traditional summer salad known as Panzanella. So Panzanella is a Tuscan chopped salad of soaked stale bread, onions, and tomatoes that is popular in the summer. It often includes cucumbers, basil, and is dressed with an olive oil and a vinegar. In this case today, though, we are going to follow some of the traditional ways of the Panzanella, but add a small little slight twist to the recipe as well. Today we're going to be using some ciabatta bread, red onions, olive oil, cucumbers, mozzarella cheese, cherry tomatoes, basil, prosciutto, strawberries, and some peaches. So together, all these flavors are going to be delicious, guys. You are going to be so surprised, and it might be one of your new favorite salads. So if you guys are ready to start this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel and also hitting that notification bell so you can know when I drop my next video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here is the finished panzanella salad, otherwise known as bread salad, because we've got those delicious chunks of the crusty soaked bread in there. Everything went well together, guys, with the juicy tomatoes, the basil, we've got the cheese, the onions, we've got the cucumbers. And then for that sweet element, we added the juicy peaches and strawberries with a little bit of that salty prosciutto. Just went ahead and topped it off with that homemade Italian herb dressing that just soaked up so well, guys. The croutons, or the bread chunks, held up to the salad. They were still crispy and crunchy, and with every bite you got delicious flavors, guys. All of the flavors went together so well. This is definitely a delicious salad. You won't even miss the lettuce, guys. You won't even realize that there's no lettuce in this salad because it's that good. It's full of veggies, a wonderful flavor. So you guys definitely give it a try. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe, guys. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried panzanella salad before, and if you do enjoy it. Also, share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, you guys. We are on our way to 6K, so definitely appreciate all the love and support, guys. Thank you so much. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Nunca imaginei que ia ser tão bom. Nunca imaginei que ia ser tão bom. Nunca imaginei que ia ser tão bom. Nunca imaginei que ia ser tão bom.